Hello everyone, welcome to Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we fix DNS probe finished bad config error on Google Chrome. So this error usually comes up when there is an issue with the internet connectivity. First you need to check your internet if it is working fine and still Chrome is throwing this error. Then you need to do the steps that are defined in this video and your computer, your Chrome should work just fine. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into the solution. So the first thing that we are supposed to do is just go to the start menu and type in cmd. This will bring up the command prompt. So when this command prompt app is there, either you can right click or you can just go to this menu and select run as administrator. Basically we want command prompt to be running as an administrator over here. If it prompts for the user account control, then just click on yes. Then this is the path where your command prompt would be opened, that is Windows/System32. Here we need to type in this set of commands. So the first command is /release. So one thing you need to keep in mind over here, and that is after ipconfig you need to put a space, then a / and then all the commands. So ipconfig space / and then release. So just enter this command. Once it's done, just type in the second command. Let's just copy it and paste it over here, which is ipconfig space / all. Then flush DNS. So it is basically going to flush all the DNS that are available right now. Once you get this successful message, then you just need to renew the DNS. So let's just copy this command, renew command, and paste it over here. Now this is going to take a few seconds, so let's just wait for that. And now it's all done. Now what we need to do, we need to type in this command netsh ip set DNS. So let's just copy this command and paste it over here. And then netsh winsock reset. So maybe you might be getting these errors. So it's netsh winsock reset. So now even if you're getting IP set DNS error, then no problem. Just run the second command to reset the winsock catalog, and once it's reset you must restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, the solution is complete. The issue must have been fixed. You can run your Chrome as normal. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.